We saw this. Actor Alec Baldwin will be charged with felony involuntary manslaughter for that deadly shooting that happened on a movie set for a film called Rust back in 2021. Baldwin pulled the trigger on the prop gun that fired a live round, killing the cinematographer Helena Hutchins and hurting the director. That announcement today from a New Mexico district attorney came as a bit of a surprise to a lot of people, so we wanted to get some legal context and analysis. We spoke today with attorney and legal analyst Paul Cambria. He said the announcement came as a shock to him. He does not believe that Baldwin will be convicted on that involuntary manslaughter charge.
Well, basically what has to happen, the prosecution has to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that there was actually like gross negligence here or some kind of very severe deviance, if you will, from the standard of care on the set. I just think that they will have an impossible burden here to find him guilty under these circumstances. When the prop master tells you the gun is cold on a set, it seems to be reasonable for them to use the gun.
Thanks to Paul for talking to us from the airport in D.C. earlier today. He says that because there was a gun involved, an involuntary manslaughter conviction in this case would carry a mandatory 5-year prison sentence. But again, he says he does not see how the prosecution will be able to make this case against Baldwin, though the armorer on the set, who was in charge of safety essentially, is also facing that charge. He says maybe that person could be convicted.